crazy people. Man, must be so cold. Screw that. Not a bad place to go take a dip though. So yeah, did a bit of whale watching this morning. It was awesome to see, two sperm whales and a pod of common dolphins. Obviously couldn't get too close to the sperm whales, but did manage to see them dive. I don't know how well I got that on camera because I was too busy enjoying the experience, which is goes to show, you know, it's all well and good filming everything and wanted to share with you, but you've got to enjoy the experience with it. But the dolphins were cool. They swam in and around the boat and they're feeding. Yeah, that was really exciting. But to be honest, I enjoyed the whole thing. Even if I didn't see any marine life, just zipping across the ocean on the Zodiac boat was an awesome experience. I recommend that to anyone. The company I booked it through was a company called Futurismo. Whale watching, I think, is €50. Definitely worth a go. In winter time, there's not so much to see in terms of the marine life, but in summer you can get things all the way up to a blue whale. So definitely recommend that. Yeah. Now I'm going to go back to the flat and grab myself a shower because I'm absolutely covered in salt from the ocean. Yeah, and then I'm going to head out. I don't know where yet. I haven't decided. But yeah. I really like this flat. And it's a really great place to use as a base. But there is a couple of things that I'm struggling to figure out. Like, I'm upstairs on like the 7th floor. But to get in, I go through a main door. I'll show you. Elevator, front door, and then I come in. And then I come in up those stairs to this flat. But who lives downstairs? Is it the owner? I haven't heard or seen anyone yet. But it just means I feel I'm sneaking along the whole time I come in and out. That's one thing I've been wondering about. The second is, I'm on the 7th floor. I have to get a lift to get up here. So how did they get this in here? Answers below if you know. I haven't got a clue. Right. Quick coffee. And then, head on out of here. Bye. Right, the place I was going to next, Caldera Vela, was some hot spring, like spa type place. I thought it'd be a nice place to chill out for the afternoon. But that's now closed apparently, so I just thought I'd just carry on driving. The road was just going up, so I carried on driving to see where it would go, and then I was treated to this view. Pretty awesome, huh? Well, let's get Sparky up and see what we can see. I don't know if you can hear as well in the background that loud noise. That's a geothermal plant just down there somewhere. Right, let's get Sparky up, see what I can see. pretty cool. It's now 5 o'clock. I've got 50 minutes until the sun sets. So I'm just going to keep on going to see what I can find and hopefully get a good view of a sunset. Not been driving 2 minutes and I come across another amazing view that I just have to show you. This is where I'm coming tomorrow, but this is the first time I've seen it and it looks amazing. Check this out. Shut up. Stunning. Oh, and look. Gives you an idea of scale of the island, where I'm on a mountain, big ass lake, and then you got the ocean right over there. I've got to go to get the drone up again actually, see what I can see. Right, this looks as good a place as any to watch the sunset. Check this out. That was that lake behind me there. Let's go. Nice, huh?